Right, so we've got 4 stocks, but we only agree on one of them, and that's Richemont. Chris, Richemont, we're going to pick it as the trade of the day. Obviously, we're talking about a high-end, consumer-oriented stock. It's not for everyone. Not everyone can afford a $100,000 diamond necklace, but there are plenty of people in the Arab oil-earning industries that are, and there are people in Europe who've still got pots of cash. It's got a big exposure in the US. It's also in Japan. But its biggest area of growth has been Chinese people, either in China or Chinese people going to Macau to gamble, or Chinese people going to Europe and buying stuff when they're passing through in this sort of duty-free environment.
Yeah. No, I think this is, where you say the rich getting richer and the poor getting poorer type of thing, this is the rich getting richer kind of stock.
And they also, of course, make lots of leather products, wristwatches, that kind of thing. And we know that rich people these days want to have fewer possessions but better quality ones. So there's a real cachet associated with that high-end leather and all that sort of stuff, which people want a couple of items, happy to pay, fantastic margins. So the Rupert family connection is there. And, we've been in this stock before. We've made money on it in this last period. It's sitting above its all-time high at like 102 rands a share, so we're going to be squeezing the last bit of lemon juice out of it, hopefully.
I think so. It's just not a nice entry position, but still a superb stock.
But I mean, yes, it was very exciting when it went through 50, 60, 70 rands. So, I mean, the 100 rand thing is a bit of a mental issue, but it could be at 110 before we go. And we do expect your other observation that maybe a little bit of a weakening of the rand to the Swiss franc could also give us a little bit of lift there.
Yeah, I think that's certainly a good short-term play.
Excellent, good. So Richemont is our trade of the day. That is, in fact, our profit tracker number. Good. I'm glad I got reminded of that. So this is the portfolio position. If you watch the Friday show, we'll be able to see why this has gone up and down a little bit during this week. But that's the value of our hot stocks portfolio. Excellent, thank you. That's it. All we've got time for on hot stocks. Thanks once again to our guest, Chris Hart from Investment Solutions.